Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2011 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in tan, driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes roof rails, heated mirrors, and power sliding doors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once we're at the driver's side and take a look at the front first here. Now right up top you have your power windows locks. We have some storage space along the bottom of the door there as well. You'll find your power adjustable side mirrors next to the door. If we take a look inside here, the Sienna comes equipped with great fabric seating. You have all-weather mats, and on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. We have a key here. We're going to start this Sienna up. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. On the left side you have your audio controls. On the right side you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition. You'll find your cruise control right behind the steering wheel there. If we take a look at the odometer, you can see the Sienna has 249,959 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here, this is where you do have your backup camera. So if we go into reverse, that'll bring up that direct view from behind there. You can also navigate through that screen by pressing this info button on the bottom here. If we move down below here, you have your AM and FM options. You can also have the choice to connect your phone through Bluetooth as well. You have a 3-zone climate control on this Sienna, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger can do so as well, and you also have this dial for the rear passengers in the back there. Underneath, we have some storage and cup holders. We can also press this little piece here. You have 2 more extra cup holders that come out as well. Putting that back in, this is where you also find a nice little shelf. You have a 12-volt outlet up here as well as one on the bottom, and this is where you also find your USB and auxiliary. Taking a look inside the back here, we are continuing with the gray fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. These rear seats do also fold down. There's a little handle here. If we pull that upwards, seats will fold. You can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating and your cargo. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features includes your backup camera, all-weather mats, and a tri-zone climate control system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.